To me, getting the mobile welding unit was critical because so many of our residents face transportation barriers. They can't go to where the training is, so we bring the training to them. We've eliminated that barrier.
What it does economically for us, it gives 8 or 10, 12, 15, how many it is, an opportunity to stabilize their families and gives them an opportunity to get started and get moving. In a small town, it doesn't take many victories to get the train, the economic train moving. So the welding program is a good start for us.
We teach shielded metal arc welding, that's regular stick welding. We teach gas metal arc welding, which is better known as wire welding or MIG welding, oxy-fuel flame cutting, plasma cutting, and of course, before we teach all that, we teach safety. Safety is a very integral part of teaching welding.
I mean, they learn a skill set that is in high demand. A skill set that's kind of a lost art that's going away that we can teach a younger generation that, you know, sometimes they may get a bad rap that they're a welder, but it is a high-paying job that can provide for the family.
I think they get hope, and that's what they all need to go into the workforce. This is a stepping stone into their future, and it's just going to help them make their lives different. The reason we're in this is to help people get these jobs, and I believe you begin everything with the end in mind, so the end in mind here is definitely employment.
I've gained a lot of punctuality. I feel like if anyone could get this opportunity, they love it.
I've gained a lot of marketable skills, a way of selling myself and my work in order to get work and move further in life and move higher and achieve more and just get ahead in life, get a better start than what I already had. For one thing, because the first class they gave was like marketable skills. I knew a little bit about it, but it went like way more into detail, like about always being on time and planning. So those little things, it really helped me to the point now, like getting here on time and making sure I get everything I need before I leave the house. Like little stuff like that will help you in your job. So I appreciate for that, all of that.
My long-term career goals are hopefully after this course, I'll go to some type of welding school and get certified to do other types of welding. Hopefully get a job and then become like a supervisor or something like that and higher in the ranks. This program, it has definitely put me on the right track. Before this, I've never had a job. This program has helped me a lot.
So we're hoping to use the mobile welding unit next at Clark County Correctional Facility to train the same type of program we're doing here and then bring it to other areas in our service area to help people get employment.
So here in Wilk, one of the wonderful things about this technical college is that there's already a clinical setup. And so what we're doing is utilizing that to the fullest. And we're partnering with the Boys and Girls Club with our youth program. We're just having so many exciting, innovative things that we'll be doing in the future.